This video, I show you how to get paid free PayPal money from watching videos, which is a new strategy to make $200 per day online for absolutely free till 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is, get paid from watching videos. I never talked about these websites before, and it will actually pay you decent money, just from watching videos. There is no secret that we all love watching videos every single day. I mean, you're watching this video right now, but what if you could actually get paid for doing so? So you can lay in your bed or sit on your couch or relax at the beach and still make money just for watching videos. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below which country you are coming from. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let us get started. So this is the first step you need to do in order to make money watching videos. Here is the website right here. And you're not going to get paid out in points, in gift cards or anything like that. You're actually going to get a direct payment to your PayPal account. So you do need a PayPal account in order to do this. If you don't have a PayPal account, just create one for yourself. It is absolutely free and available worldwide. No matter which country are you coming from. You can make money with this website from United States, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Philippines or Singapore. Your country, it doesn't matter. You can see that cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. Like answering surveys. I don't like this one, it is so boring and very time-consuming. Finding great deals. Watching videos and surfing the web. So you can even just search on Google and make money like that as well. But we definitely want to watch the videos right here. And you don't even need to watch the videos actively. You can watch the videos on your phone or your laptop, and then you can just sit and let it play in the background while you're doing other things as well. And it's actually really simple. Number 1, find and complete your mission. Number 2, watch the earnings grow in your account. Number 3, cash out early, easily and often. And here you can see some testimonials of real people actually making money with this platform as well. And I'm going to reveal the website right now. And it's called cashkick.com. But remember to stick with me, because there are some things that you could be doing wrong if you do this all by yourself to be wasting your time. This is an easy way to make some extra income. You're not going to become a millionaire, and you're not going to fly around the world in private jets and with Lamborghini and Ferrari. However, you will make some awesome side income for you to make some extra money, and then use that money to shop online and buy yourself some cool things. So all you need to do is enter your email, choose a password, and then get started and earn money from watching videos. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.